Today I'm making a spicy pork fried rice bowl. You'll need about 1.5 cups of pre-cooked rice. Finely dice a small piece of pork. It can be pork roast, pork tenderloin, whatever you have. And then heat up a couple tablespoons of oil in a pan and put that in and cook until it's done. You can continue to add more oil. The ingredients will soak most of it up. Add diced carrot and cook until desired doneness. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Diced bell pepper, any color that you choose. 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Continue cooking. Then you're going to add your frozen peas and about 1/4 cup of water. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. All I had available was oyster flavored sauce. The rice is done, and now if you'd like, you can fry an egg or poach it however you would like it. Add that to the top, and then sprinkle some green onions or scallions over the top of that, and you're done. And unless you'd like to maybe add a little salt or pepper or any other ingredients that you would prefer. Ingredients I used are olive oil, soy sauce, oyster flavored sauce, crushed red pepper flakes, onion powder, pre-minced garlic, carrots, green onions, salt, pre-made rice, 1 egg, green bell pepper, frozen peas, and a small piece of pork. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.